Most of us capture our best ideas on whatever is closest to us, leaving a trail of important thoughts scattered across notebooks, sticky notes, whiteboards, and random scraps of paper. Getting those physical notes into a digital format creates a bottleneck. Manually typing them out, deciphering the handwriting, and organizing the ideas is tedious and time-consuming. The solution is sitting in your pocket. You can use your smartphone to take a picture of those messy scribbles and let AI instantly transform them into a clean, organized digital document. You don't need any advanced technical skills to do this. A standard smartphone camera and a free AI app like ChatGPT or Gemini are the only tools required. This workflow bridges the gap between fast, messy analog creativity and highly organized digital productivity. Step 1 is capturing the image. Lay your paper flat, ensure you have good lighting, and keep the entire page inside the camera frame. If your document spans multiple pages, just take several sequential photos. The AI can process multiple images at once. Next, open your AI app. Tap the paperclip or image icon next to the text bar and upload the photos you just took. The AI can now visually scan your handwritten text, but you must resist the urge to ask for a summary right away. Instead, use this specific prompt to force a raw transcription. Ask the AI to read the text in the image and transcribe it as accurately as possible. Tell it to keep the original wording and explicitly tell it not to summarize. The last sentence of that prompt is your safety net. Telling the AI to mark illegible text with the bracketed word unclear helps you identify exactly what the system couldn't decipher from your handwriting. Prioritizing raw transcription over immediate formatting protects the integrity of your original ideas and ensures the AI doesn't skip over messy sections. Once you have an accurate baseline transcription, you can give the data logical structure. Send a second prompt asking the AI to organize those notes into a clean document with a title, headings, bullet points, and action items. The AI automatically evaluates the raw text, groups your disconnected thoughts, and structures them into a logical outline without altering your underlying meaning. You can then use a third prompt to expand those bullet points into a comprehensive, readable document, complete with a final summary. From here, the output can be tailored to your specific needs. Students can use a fourth prompt to generate a study guide featuring definitions and a short review quiz. Professionals can adapt the same workflow by using a fifth prompt to convert scattered whiteboard ideas into formal meeting minutes, complete with assigned deadlines and responsibilities. This organizational phase turns a static historical record of what was written into an active, targeted tool for what to do next. Before you finalize your document, you need to verify the output. AI vision technology can still misinterpret messy handwriting, faded ink, or poor lighting. Always perform a visual check, comparing the AI's digital output directly against the original physical photograph. Scan the digital text specifically for those bracketed unclear tags you requested in Step 1, as well as any obvious hallucinations. When you locate an error, manually type the correction directly into the AI interface, or fix it after you export the document. Your final step is copying the polished text out of the AI app and pasting it into its permanent digital home, like a word processor or a dedicated notes application. This brief manual verification step guarantees the reliability of your data before it becomes a permanent digital record. This side-by-side view shows exactly what the workflow accomplishes: a chaotic starting point translated into a highly structured final result. This process reclaims the hours typically lost to manual formatting and deciphering, allowing you to use your notes immediately. The AI acts as a translation layer, taking your scattered human thoughts and turning them into something useful, organized, and ready for action. Grab the nearest messy piece of paper on your desk right now and test the workflow yourself.